Fasten your seatbelts, because we have lifted off. I got a man, cold dog. Everybody telling me to Fort Maarco. Everybody telling me to Fort Maarco. Well, everybody telling me to Fort Maarco. All over Seychelles. Go, go. Everybody telling me to Fort Maarco. Everybody telling me to Fort Maarco. Well, everybody telling me to Fort Maarco. All over Seychelles. I want the whole wide world to know that Maarco is on the go. Just like a tree that's planted by the rivers of water, I will surely grow. Every day I kneel and pray that you will guide me on my way. I wanna be good, yes, I wanna do right, and I don't wanna go astray. People tell me yes they do. They say, Maarco, we love you. That's why I want to dedicate this song to every one of you, to every friend and every fan and every radio DJ too, every reggae lover, producer, promoter. I just like to say thank you. And all the youths I stand and salute for staying loyal to the reggae roots. They give me the strength to push on through, because they tell me to go down. Everybody telling me to put Maarco. Yeah. Well, everybody telling me to Fort Maarco. Well, everywhere. I got it, man. When I say all over, I mean all over. North, south, east, and west. You understand me? My people, pregnant people, Natiga people. Lord, all over Seychelles. Let all the people of the Vanilla Island vote for Maarco. 2025. Freedom from LDS. Freedom from Wavell. And in Mauritius and the Union. Come, everybody telling me to vote Maarco. Do, do. Everybody telling me to vote Maarco. 'Cause everybody telling me to vote Maarco. Everybody telling me to vote Maarco. All over Seychelles.